Good afternoon, everyone. I am David Zhang from Amphenol. Thanks for having me here and have this opportunity to present you our latest products. EXAMAX product line is widely used high-speed backplane connectors in global market. And the EXAMAX2 is a well-known 112G speed connector system that has been selected by multiple industry-leading customers since it was released 2 years ago. We are grateful to hear the voice from our customers. They gave us a lot of positive feedback and support during the time. And today, I am so excited to announce the second generation of EXAMAX2 product. EXAMAX2 Gen2 product is maintaining its industrial-leading performance in reflection and return loss, while significantly reducing the crosstalk of the connectors in both 92 ohm and 85 ohm solution. This new upgrade elevates the performance, well-known, well-approved, or well-proven performance of EXAMAX2 to the best-in-class solution for 112G application. During the introduction, we will also release a newer version of the footprint and the routing guideline of EXAMAX2 product. This new footprint is specifically designed, or we can call it tailored for EXAMAX2 Gen2 product. The main interface of EXAMAX2 is designed to be able to support more than 1 millimeter demating in a 112G system. And also, the main interface is designed to be backward mainly compatible with older version of EXAMAX connectors. This compatibility gives our customer availability to upgrade their system freely. This means our customer can use the newer EXAMAX2 connectors in the existing system that already using EXAMAX1 Gen1 connector. This will also enable the system designer to upgrade their system to a higher speed without any major change or modification to the chassis. The implementation of the EXAMAX Gen2 is scheduled in this year, 2023. We will have a newer Gen2 version for all the configurations in the product family. During the transaction, we will make sure the part numbers, the drawings, the mechanical specs remain the same. This means that for our customer, the identification and ordering process will remain unchanged. We are committed to provide our customer a seamless transition during the upgrade. Last but not least, probably the most important point today is this upgrade is free. We will sell the Gen2 version of the connector at the same price as Gen1 version. If you have any question, feel free to contact our local sales team. And you can also reach me by the email address here. Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.